Okay, so the absolute value. The absolute value of real number x is the distance of x from the origin. That's all what it is. Okay, and we write that as an x with two bar in here, and also we define the absolute value as we're citing here in symbol by saying the absolute value of x is equal to the distance of x from the origin. Okay, easy to understand, very easy to understand. And there is another definition which is a little bit more abstract, if you want. And the definition say that the absolute value is going to be the absolute value of a particular number is going to be the number if that number is positive. But if you pick a negative number, then they say that you have to put negative at the front just to make it positive. Okay, because the important property is that the absolute value have to be always greater than or equal to zero. It will never be a negative number. Yes, miss.
With question 3, I'm just a little bit confused about how it's written. Is it two? Is it like brackets? So it's like two outside
No,
of.
this is 2 multiplied by the absolute value of negative 2.
Yeah, that's what I'm
And
saying.
then plus 3 multiplied by the absolute value of 4 squared.
Yeah,
All right?
that's what I'm saying.
Yeah. So this is going to be, if you simplify this is going to be 2 times 2,
Mhm.
because the absolute value of negative 2 is just 2, and then plus 3 times 4 squared. That's it, which is, this is 16 times 3, and then you add that. Okay, so this is just numerical exercises.
Mhm.
Easy enough? Easy enough. Okay. Okay, but now we're going to see how we do equation involving absolute value, because that is what we need to do. Okay, so we have done linear equation, we have done exponential equation, we have done quadratic equation, and now we're going to see how we do equation involving absolute value. All right? Okay, so that is the next heading. So the next heading is equation involving absolute value. So that is a new heading. Equation involving absolute value. Example. Okay, we're going to start with a very simple one. So we're going to start with a very simple one. Okay. So let's say that I really want to find the answer for that. Okay, the absolute value of the number is equal to 3. And we know by definition that the absolute value of x is distant from 0. Now you're going to tell me how many numbers are there that are 3 units from 0.
2,
So we got 2 of them. So we have which one?
-3, and 3.
Yes. Okay, so graphically, this is what's going on. All right, so we really want to find that number that is 3 units from 0. And if you look at the number line, then you can see that you're going to have that one and that one. So, okay, so that x could be -3 or it can be +3. Can you see? So for this equation, we do x equal to 3, and then we do x equal -3. So we have 2 options, and obviously they are the answer. All right, so that was easy, all right? Okay, 2. Okay, so we got 2x is equal to 6. Okay, let's say that I really want to find the answer for that. Alright, so we're looking for this number, 2x. We're looking for this, which is 6 units away from 0. Alright? So what you do, very easy, you just put 0, and you know that means 6 units away from 0 means negative 6 or positive 6. Right? Yep. So you say, well, these 2x can be right there or can be right there. Because in both cases, it's going to be 6 units away from 0. Okay, so then we say, so therefore we're going to say 2x is equal to positive 6 or 2x or 2x have to be negative 6. So that means that we're going to have two possible answers, right? So we're going to have that x is equal to 3 or x is equal to negative 3. Right, so we got this and this. All right, can you see that is very easy? Very, very simple. Okay, let's do another one. Let's say that we have this time 5x minus, I don't know, let's say 2. That has to be equal to 3. Okay, so we're going to draw the diagram. You don't need to do that later, so you can skip, the diagrams. You can go straight to the answer. Okay, but at this time, just to illustrate, so the answer have to be here or here. Okay, so I mean that 5x minus 2 can be right there or right there. In both cases, it's going to be 3 units away from 0. And then we set up the equation, so then we say 5x minus 2 have to be negative 3, or 5x minus 2 have to be positive 3. And therefore, 5x is going to be equal to negative 1, or 5x is going to be equal to 5. So therefore, x is going to be equal to negative 1/5, or x is going to be equal to 1. So we have two options for x. All right. Too easy? Too easy, yes.
Have you written this down somewhere so that I can access the earlier points of your notes?
I have the video running. Yeah. But then I'm gonna start with the exercises in there. I haven't written anything but this. Okay, so are you happy with this? Do you understand the concept? Do you know what absolute value is now? Yes, good. All right. Can I wrap this up? Yeah. Okay.
Where are you going to post the video?